Google Analytics for small business SEO in 2024 harness the power of Google Analytics to enhance your small business's SEO strategy. This indispensable tool provides insights into your website's performance, allowing you to make informed decisions. Understanding Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a comprehensive web analytics service that tracks and reports website traffic. Setting it up involves creating an account, adding your website as a property, installing the tracking code, and verifying that data is being correctly captured. Essential metrics for SEO 1. Top performing pages. Utilize the All Pages report to identify your highest traffic pages. 2. Traffic sources. Analyze the channels report to understand where your visitors are coming from. 3. User behavior. The behavior flow. Report details how users navigate through your site. 4. Keyword performance. Integrate with Google Search Console to monitor the search queries driving traffic. 5. SEO campaign performance. Set up goals to track the success of your SEO initiatives. 6. Site speed. Improve load times using insights from the Site Speed Report. 7. Mobile performance. Check the mobile overview report to ensure your site performs well on mobile devices. Advanced features. Custom dashboards. Create tailored dashboards to track critical metrics like organic traffic and bounce rates. Segmentation. Analyze different traffic segments to better understand user behavior. Event tracking. Track specific actions, such as downloads or video views, to gauge engagement. Enhanced e-commerce. For e-commerce sites, monitor product performance and checkout behaviors. Conclusion. For any small business aiming to excel in SEO, Google Analytics is a must-have tool. It provides vital insights that can drive better online visibility and customer engagement. Contact information for expert SEO content writing services. Reach out to me at contact@gootseocontent.com or connect on Instagram at NIMRAO_Shabir01.